Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A90 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off autocorrection on this device. Start by opening settings and scrolling all the way down. Now tap on General Management, Language and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and keyboard that you're currently using. In my case, Samsung keyboard. Go into Smart Typing and tap on the switcher next to Predictive Text. Autocorrection is now turned off. You can turn it back on by clicking on the switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!